What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Garage. It's an install for the Chevy coming to you. Super cheap one. It's going to be quick. Let's dive into it. So I'm going to show you guys real quick what I'm talking about. I'm going to overexpose for a minute. Anyways, if you guys have a late model, well, even most of Chevys from, I don't know when, but a lot of the Chevys have these. Let's see if it might be too dark. Is it too dark? Nope, there it is. So it has these channels and you can actually see through them right there. So what we're gonna do is, I got some plugs for them. They're like 12 bucks, 13 bucks off of Amazon. I'll put a link to these down below. Again, we're just gonna throw some plugs in those. I'll show you guys the plugs and we'll throw them in. Let's walk back inside. Still a little cold here. Actually, that ground was frozen right there. So these are them. Again, I'll put a link to them. They're hard plastic. Pull the knife out. Put the knife away. So this is it. There you go. It's a kind of a textured look to them right there. So let's go try to pop a couple of these in and then we'll take a look. So obviously the reason I did that or the reason I'm doing this more or less is just to clean up the look a little bit. You guys can do this to your Chevy. I think these in the frame holes are the same for a lot of years. So let's get you kind of close in there. So there it is. And it's got that plastic. Oh, that sits in there nicely. So there it goes. So let me show you. So it has these cuts in it and it just slides right in. So here's the back one. Obviously, if you don't care about that, then you don't care. But I think it looks a lot better than, it'll adjust, there it is, than that. So again, it's like 12, 13 bucks, something like that. I'll put a link to this down below. You guys can get them for your Chevy, kind of clean up the back wheel well area. Looks a lot better. There it is. I think it still is obviously noticeable. You got something going on there, but it looks a lot better than a hole. Kind of an endless hole there. Sits flush against it. Let me see if I can get maybe do this one. So again, that's it. Super simple install. One of the first parts I got for the truck, or the first one that's shipped to my house. That wraps up this video. So probably the shortest install video I've done to date. We got a lot more stuff going on with the Chevy. A lot of stuff still going on with the V-Rod. A lot of stuff going on here at the Wrenched Out Garage. So don't forget, hit subscribe. Tune in weekly. We got new content dropping all the time. We got our Monday garage news. We got multiple garage talk, and we got a lot of installs as well here at the Wrenched Out Garage. Talk to you guys next time.